My name is Michael Callahan with the Callahan Law Firm based in Houston, Texas, and I'm here to talk with you a little bit about what the federal motor carrier safety regulations are. In sum, what they are is regulations that were put into effect by the federal government, and they set the minimum framework, the minimum regulations for the safe operation of commercial motor vehicles throughout the United States, and also for the safe operation of motor carriers, which means companies that employ drivers to drive commercial motor vehicles. These regulations are in place in part because of the unique factors associated with commercial motor vehicles, big trucks, and that would include not just their size, but their weight, their maneuverability, and other factors. And that's why these regulations are so important. And ultimately, the purpose of the regulations is to protect the motoring public, which means people like you and me. One of the regulations has to do with securement of the load on a truck, and that is Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulation 392.9, and it's entitled Inspection of Cargo Securement Devices and Systems. And what it requires is that a driver may not operate a commercial motor vehicle unless the cargo is adequately secured, and that the driver is required to re-examine the vehicle's cargo at different points throughout a trip to make sure that the load securement devices are properly in place, that they haven't come loose during transportation, and then make any necessary adjustments to make sure that the load is secured. It's important that loads are properly secured so the load does not shift during the transport, including, for instance, during a lane change or when a tractor trailer makes a turn. Because when the load shifts, that shifts the center of gravity of the trailer, and it can cause the trailer and tractor to flip over on the road, which clearly is a huge danger to not only the driver of the truck, but to other people on the roadways. So if you have any questions about the federal motor carrier safety regulations or truck safety in general, feel free to contact us at thecallahanlawfirm.com or give us a call at 713-224-9000, and we'll be glad to talk with you and answer any questions that you have.